Hey guys, you ready? We're moving up from the beginner's challenge. Plank, total body, focusing on the abs, but now we're moving up to 1 minute and 30 seconds. Do your best, let's go. All right, here we go. Make sure you have a comfortable space. We're gonna get started right away. We're gonna try for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Challenge yourself, all right? First, lay down. Make sure your elbow is right under the shoulder. Hands out in front of you for support, or like this, whatever is good for you. We're gonna start here. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Ready? Knees up, go. Make sure to keep your stomach tight. Your stomach is up. If you feel tight in the shoulder, make an adjustment out a little bit. Or if you need to, you put your arm under you a little bit. If you're starting to feel tired, lift yourself up and then try to go back down. All right, we're coming up on 1 minute already. Remember, we're trying for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Okay, we're just here on 1 minute. Make sure you breathe nice and easy. All right, guys, doing great, doing great. 20 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, great job, great job. All right, guys, good job. Keep working on that, all right? A couple of times a week. I'll be coming back to you with another challenge soon. Take care, stay strong. See ya.